This project is fingerprint based real-time door lock. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Fingerprint module R307 connected to Arduino UART port. Here door lock controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Two switches, one is for enrolling and second one is for identification. These two switches and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. Initially, we have to enrolling the fingerprints using enrolling switch. Once enrolling done, every time enrolling not required. We can access the door with fingerprint. While accessing the door, need to keep finger on module and press identification button. Then lock will be open and close after 4 seconds. If unauthorized access, buzzer will be on.